Tired of waiting and waiting for your husband to come fix your problems?
Wow, that toilet really needs a plumb.
Ever wish you could get in on some of that manly action?
Be back in a jiffy, sweetheart.
Are you feeling in the mood to bring down the patriarchy just a bit in your daily life? Well, ladies, I got a little something in store for you. Introducing Toolkit for Women. We've been hearing our customers. Women don't just want to have a seat at the table. They want to make the tables themselves. So we thought you ladies could have a couple lil tools of your own. With the Toolkit for Women, you'll have everything you need to fix a multitude of household issues, all by yourself. With tools like the toothbrush, you can scrub away at those little hard-to-get-to spots that just crowd up your beautiful kitchen. And of course, there's a screwdriver that conveniently can hold your teeny tiny rings you're always losing. Now you have somewhere to store your precious jewelry while you clean the kitchen, living room, or bathroom. And of course, who doesn't need a few extra feminine products every so often?
I need a nailer. Please, do you have one?
No, but I've got something better.
With Toolkit for Women, you're always prepared for an emergency. There's no stopping what you can do with the Toolkit for Women. Get on the other side of the patriarchy with this little box of knickknacks and prove to the world that women can do it all.
Boy, do I love my Toolkit for Women.